Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk about physics envy that is associated with economics. Generally, what people tend to assume is that economics is equivalent to physics in terms of scientific base, and just like physics, they are using economics in modern day society. I don't agree with this because when physics has two sets of methodologies. One are two sets of models, if you want to call it. One set is the understanding model. So in the understanding model, there are simplifying assumptions. So you will encounter phrases like imagine there is no friction, imagine in a vacuum, or an infinitesimally small charge, and things like that. But when it comes to practically applying these models, there is substantial bit of engineering done to this. In fact, the understanding models are called pure physics or pure sciences, and the application models are called applied sciences, which is part of engineering teams. In engineering, you will encounter friction, you will encounter air resistance, you will encounter all these things, and engineers will use factors of safety to encounter or to overcome the problems that are associated when you reconcile the understanding model and the applied part of it. So you will see that while designing the scientific system or physical system based on application models, that there is substantial amount of assessment done by the developer or the engineer in this case. However, when you talk about economics, understanding models were applied without making due modifications to the system. And because understanding models itself has its own flaws, and unlike physics or some part, unlike most of physics, these are not feedback systems, feedback loop systems. There are feedback loops in economics. So these errors have compounded. So what we need is not economics as equivalent to physics, but probably economics as equivalent to engineering, mechanical, all sorts of engineering or applied sciences. So we need an equivalent of economics, applied economics, for modern day regulatory framework, for modern day macroeconomic and microeconomic systems. So that is, I think one key point people tend to miss out when discussing physics envy. Thank you for listening today.